I have done keynotes, I've done breakouts, I've done workshops, I've spoken for an hour, I've spoken for 2 hours, I've spoken for 3 hours. It really, and this is where Defense by Design comes into play. It's not just a name, it's what we do. So if your conference or convention needs me to do several different presentations or a longer 2 or 3 hour presentation, whatever the case may be, this is where we consult with you to determine what is going to help you best at your conference or convention event. One of the things that's been happening the last several years, and we've seen this, we've seen it in our news, media, and others, where special events unfortunately have been targeted by criminal elements and even terroristic elements. So this is a question that's actually been put to me by several of those in the venue management, event planning industry. Can you do some training for the people that are here before our attendees actually show up, i.e. the exhibitors and the vendors, people who have access to the building before the public has access to the building? You know what? That's a great idea, and I would love to talk to you about it. So if you're interested, absolutely, let's talk. I have done continuing education in a lot of different professions and industries, about 9 and counting so far. So can continuing education be awarded? Yes. However, since I do travel across the United States, and these are usually state specific, I do not secure the credits. I'll be more than happy to provide you with an outline you need to submit to your respective state agency to secure continuing education credits, but that's the extent, of course, of my role. But I'm happy to talk to you about it, and if it's something of interest, absolutely. Let's get you the paperwork, allow you to submit to your state, and let's get those credits for your attendees. The customization often comes into play where it's either physical security related or potentially data security related. Sometimes there is a bleed over, but point being, industry-wise, if I'm talking to people that may represent homeowners associations versus people who represent the medical industry versus people who represent the legal industry, obviously there's going to be some customization based on industry. But much of the actual core material remains the same, but absolutely there is customization for specific events, for specific audiences. One of the things I like to do with those that bring me in, and they're obviously secure me by paying the fee, is including books with that. Now, if you choose to give away the books to your attendees, or if you choose to resell them to recoup part of your payment for bringing me in to speak to your audience, that's up to you. But it's something I do offer to those who bring me in for their conferences and conventions. I would say when it comes to bookings, 2 to 3 months, especially being here in Dallas-Fort Worth, if I have to secure a flight somewhere. So 2 to 3 months is a good range. Some are already booking me for next year and way in advance. And if it happens and you have a conference or convention coming up and someone, let's face it, you know it happens, if someone cancels on you last minute, maybe they've had an emergency or something come up, let me know. If we can work something out, I will be happy to work with you.